Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download Discord to your computer. Let's go to Chrome and type Discord in the search box. Let's go to the first link. In the window that opens, click on the download that corresponds to your operating system. Now the program setup is downloading. Let's open the program. The program is now downloaded. You can log in to an existing account or create a new account. If I helped you, subscribe to XEvole and like it.